Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how we can use dictionaries and thesauruses. A dictionary is a list of words or phrases. In a dictionary, by each word it has its meaning. A dictionary is arranged in alphabetical order. They can be written in different languages. In an English dictionary, there are lots of words that start with A. These will be the first kind of words you'll find in a dictionary. The last sort of words you'll find in a dictionary are the ones that begin with the letter Z. As I said before, words are organised alphabetically according to the following letters. For example, ant is spelt A-N-T and the word apple is spelt A-P-P-L-E. The second letter in ant is N and in apple it is P. The N comes before P in the alphabet, so ant would be put before apple in a dictionary. Dictionaries are useful to look up the meaning of a word or when you are trying to spell something. A thesaurus is how we find different words which mean the same thing. It might also show you words which mean something similar. One of these words might be a better way of saying what you want to say, and you could use that instead. Let's recap. Dictionaries and thesauruses help us with our words. Dictionaries help us find the meanings of words, and thesauruses give us different words which might have the same meaning or mean similar things. For our daily task, match the definition to the word. Read the definitions on the right. Which is a dictionary and which is a thesaurus? Have a go and ask an adult to let me know how you get on in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video was useful as an introduction to dictionaries and thesauruses. My personal tutoring and Twitter links are down below. Thanks so much again, and remember to take some time for yourself in this crazy world. Bye for now.